Hey, it's me, Lisa. That's L-I-S-A. Lisa! And today I'm going to make some strawberry chocolates. That's right. I will need strawberries and chocolate to make a yummy dessert. And you can make this at home with your grown-up. Okay, but first of all, I need a lot of things to help me do that. Strawberries. Whoa, look at the strawberries. Whoa, and what color is a strawberry? That's right, it is the color red. And look, it also has the color green. Whoa, and strawberries are so yummy. Whoa, and a strawberry is also a berry. Look, strawberry. We also have raspberry. So many berries. Whoa. So I have already washed my strawberries, okay? So make sure to wash your strawberries. Then I have some chocolate. Yummy! And this is milk chocolate. And you can also use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate, whatever you like. And this is special cooking chocolate. That's right. But you can use a non-cooking chocolate. I think it will just work just fine. And then I have some sprinkles. Who is that? Whoa! This is a dinosaur. Whoa! And it's a green dinosaur. Hello, dinosaur. Hello, Lisa. Well, look, the dinosaur. Whoa! And I have some green and yellow and orange and brown sparkles inside. Sprinkles. And then I also have some mermaid sprinkles. And these are blue. And can you see the mermaid tail right inside there if you look really closely? Whoa! So cute. Then I have 2 plates. Whoa. And what are the colors? Pink. This is a pink plate. And this is a yellow plate. Well done. Pink and yellow. Pink and yellow. Well, this is like a little saucepan. And inside, I will melt my chocolate. And what is the color? That's right, green. Whoa, it's kind of small. And you can use a different size if you don't have one just like this. And finally, I have some paper towels because I like to keep clean. Oh, before we start, don't forget to wash your hands with soap. Yeah, that's right. So your hands are all nice and clean before you start cooking. Now, let's start. Whoa, look at my chocolate. Whoa, and it broke in half. Look, we have 1 chocolate bar. And now we have 2. Whoa, so we can share one. There you go. Well, I like sharing with my friends and family. Now, what I need to do to this chocolate is break it apart. There we go. Whoa, I think that's enough now. And I can now put the chocolate inside my little saucepan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12! Whoa, we have 12 chocolate chunks right in there.
Awesome!
Wow. And now I need to heat up my chocolate, so let's go to the kitchen. Come on!
Yippee!
It's me, Lisa. And now I have another saucepan right here. And inside the saucepan, I have some water because before suppose just to put this one down like that. Whoa, it could probably burn and damage my pan. So I will put one pan inside of the other. And inside I have some water. There we go. And I need to turn it on. Whee! And then I will just turn on the heat. Whoa. Make sure you have a grown-up to supervise you. Now let's watch it melt. Whee! It is ready. Can you see the steam? Now you need to be very careful. And do not lick the spoon because the chocolate's very hot. There we go. Now we can take it off. And I'll turn that off. And now let's go back. But you can do this in your kitchen. Come on. Whee! Lisa is back. And my chocolate is ready. And chocolate will actually get hard quite quickly. So we need to work fast. Now let's put the chocolate into the bowl. Whee! Whee! There we go. And look, we have... Wow! That was a pearl!
Yippee!
Whoa, they are so cool. Can you see the tail? Look, right there. Whoa! Look, and there's another tail. Yeah! So cute. So I will just take the petals like this. You can really see the strawberry. There we go. And look, we will dip it inside now. There we go. And I will take the strawberry out. Whoa. There we go. Whoa. Look at that. Wowee. We need to allow that to dry. There we go. And then we can do the same with the next strawberry.
Yippee!
Remember, push all that back. There you go. So you're holding it by the green petals. Yeah! Now, chocolate inside. Whee! Now give it a bit of a twist. Whoa! Perfect. Whee! There we go. And now let's add some dinosaur sprinkles. Whee! Whoa, look at that! That's so cool! Whee!
Yippee!
Whoa, so cool! And hey, what color is this chocolate? Brown! Well done! Yeah! Now let's dip it inside the dinosaur again. Whoa! Look how cool that is!
Awesome!
There we go. Whee! And this time I will just do half. There we go. Perfect. Twist it around. Whee! There we go. And now let's put some of the mermaid. Yeah! Whee! Whoa, I think that's too many. There we go. It's still looking really nice. Yummy! There we go. Perfect. Now let's do some more.
Yeah!
Look at that. Now, I think I will just leave that one with chocolate on top. Yeah! There we go. This is just a chocolate strawberry. Milk chocolate strawberries completed. And now, I have some strawberries left. Yay! And I want to make these with some condensed milk. Now, let's put the condensed milk inside my green little bowl. Yeah! And you should always be very careful opening a can because a round is very sharp and do not lick the can lid or the can, okay? Yeah! Let's put some condensed milk. Whoa, look at that. Oh, I think that's enough. Perfect. we go. Now I'll leave that one like that as it is. Whee! Now condensed milk will not stick as well as chocolate will. So you might want to use some white chocolate. But Lisa likes condensed milk. Yeah! Now some dinosaur sprinkles. Whoa! That's a lot of sprinkles. You better put that down quick. There we go. And another strawberry.
Yippee!
There we go. Dip, 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 dip. Give it a bit of a shake. Now let's get some mermaid sprinkles. Whee! Look at that. So beautiful. Now we'll put that on there. Condensed milk, like that. And we can take some dinosaur sprinkles on one side and some mermaid sprinkles on the other side. There we go. Perfect. Whoa, now the dinosaur and the mermaid are friends. So look at that strawberry. Whoa, it's a dinosaur mermaid strawberry. There we go. Give it a good wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Whee! Now, whoa, let that bit of chocolate drip off. Drip, 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 drip. Yeah! There we go. And then now let's put it inside the condensed milk. Whee! Just a little bit on the edge. Let's see how it looks. Whee! Wow, look at that. Whoa, that's a very cool strawberry.
Awesome!
Wow. And there they are. And we can leave them to dry. This plate, we have milk chocolate strawberries, and this one has dinosaur sprinkles, and this one has mermaid sprinkles. And on our yellow plate, we have condensed milk strawberries, and these have sprinkles on them, and this has milk chocolate and condensed milk at the same time. Whoa! So pretty! Yum! Yum! Well, I think I can actually try one now. Yeah! Okay, shall I try it from the pink plate or the yellow plate? Pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink. Pink it is!
Yippee!
Okay! Mermaid strawberry.
It's so yummy! Nom, 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 nom.
Dinosaur strawberry. Have a look at it. Whoa!
So yummy!
Without any sprinkles, let's see how it tastes.
Woohoo! So yummy!
Now let's try the strawberry condensed milk. Yeah!
I like it!
But I think I like the milk chocolate more.
Awesome!
Now let's try the milk chocolate and condensed milk.
No.
I think what I prefer the most is the milk chocolate strawberry without any sprinkles on top.
Yippee! Well, yeah, I think this one is the nicest. So yummy!
Whoa, that was so much fun! I love cooking, especially if it involves fruit. And I can't wait to do this again. Hey, you can do this with your grown-up too. Don't forget, you need strawberries, chocolate, and maybe some sprinkles too. That would be so much fun. Now, Lisa, that's L-I-S-A. Lisa, can't wait to see you in her next video. Until then, have lots of fun. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. That's the big red button underneath this video, and give Lisa a big thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.